everyone, and thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B. So today is day 1 of your 7-day Pilates challenge. If you think 10 minutes a day is not going to improve your flexibility and your core strength and your overall fitness, you are wrong, people. I cannot even tell you. 10 minutes a day is just a great starting point. If you don't have much time or if you want to tag it onto other workouts, I promise this is going to make you feel better. So today we are going to go over some basics. Every day we'll be doing a different routine over the next 7 days. So this is day 1. Please hit the like button, share, subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps little small children. No, small YouTubers like myself. I'm sure it helps small children everywhere though. Right, let's get started. We're going to lie down. We're going to stop messing about. Let's lie down. So just relax your shoulders. Just 10 minutes. Let's breathe. So we're going to take an inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and pull your belly in. So just get used to not holding your breath, you're engaging your core and breathing. Now, with the core engaged the whole time, so with you pulling the belly button in towards the spine the whole time, we're going to lift the left leg. So inhale, left leg in, my abs are engaged, exhale, right leg in. Inhale, left leg down, exhale, right leg down. So nice and smooth movement, you're using your core to lift the legs. And remember, no momentum, tummy muscles are in. Down and down, lift and lift, abs are in, lower back into the mat, nothing else moving, looking up towards the ceiling the whole time, relax your shoulders. So this is just getting you used to moving different parts of the body whilst breathing and holding the belly in. So inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Let's go for one more, then we're going to hold them up. We're going to go for toe taps. Tap and lift, nothing else moving, just that leg. Movement is coming from the hip. You're not sort of wiggling your shins, you're not doing that. So the leg stays in a tabletop position the whole time. Tap and lift. Tap, holding that core in, remember, tummy muscles are in the whole time. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, keep breathing, 1. Place your feet on the mat. We're going to take a back stretch. So feet together, now knees together. Hands behind the head, open the elbows. You're looking up the whole time, knees to the right. Keep looking up towards the ceiling. Really warming up the spine. Lovely little stretch for the back. Knees up and over. So as the knees go to the left, keep that right shoulder and right elbow down. As the knees come up and over to the right, keep that left shoulder, left elbow down. One more. Back to center, release the arms back. We're going to go into some glute bridges, so feet back to hip distance. So now you're going to tilt your pelvis back, lift the bottom, lower back, middle back, upper back, pause. So now you're getting a nice hip flexor stretch as well. And back down, and lift, and down, and lift, and down. Keep going, let's go for 4 more. 1, 2, really squeeze the butt all the way up, all the way down, don't let anything else move. Let's bring in the arms, try and keep everything else nice and still. So lift up and over, and down, but keep the shoulders relaxed if that makes sense. Don't hunch your shoulders by your ears. Go nice and slow. Good, 2 more. Squeezing the bottom, using your hamstrings as well. Feeling the quads working, so the front of the thighs. Good, and then just hug your knees in. Have a little stretch, rock from side to side if that feels good. Bring the right knee in, left leg extends. Take the twist, right knee over to the left. Look to the right. Good, just breathing, so good for the back. Come to center. Both knees in, extend the right leg. Left knee over, look to the left. Taking that twist. Come back to center. We're going to go into single leg stretch, then into the 100. So legs in tabletop. Lift your head and shoulders. Shoulders off the mat now. Shoulders off the mat. Right leg in. Left leg lengthens. Point that toe. Create a lovely long line. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs in tabletop or on the mat. Going to go into the 100. So we're pulsing the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and out. 2, 3, 4, 5 and in. 2, 3, 4, 5 and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. So keep going. So you pulse in the arms. Wrists are nice and firm. Movements come from the shoulders. You're pulling the belly in. Breathe in. Try and get the shoulders off the mat. Imagine curling up with the chest. Keep breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Always creates a little bit of heat. Really warming up the core. 3 more breaths. Hand can be behind the head if you get any neck pain. Make sure you've got space between your chin and chest. 1 more breath. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and down. Good. And then we're going to come up. Let's take a stretch here. So spine stretch forward, sitting up nice and straight, legs straight. Bend your knees if you feel it's really difficult for you to sit up straight. It's probably just your hamstrings. So arms out, relax the shoulders. Take an inhale. Imagine you're going forward over a beach ball. Exhale, round the back. Gaze down. Flex the feet if that feels good. Rolling up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more time. Inhale. So really getting a lovely stretch up the back of the legs. Good. Coming up. Then we're going to come round and we're going to lie onto our stomach. We are going to go into some back strength work. So again, just staying with the basics. So hands just by your face. Nice straight line between your elbow and your wrist. Inhale. Exhale. Just come up a few inches. Feet are either together or hip distance apart. And down. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Now belly in, imagine you've got a blueberry underneath your stomach and you're trying not to squash the blueberry. Exhale, lift. And down. Who would have thought you'd hear squash the blueberry in a fitness video? God, it sounds a bit weird actually saying that. Good, now we're going to lift the arms. Stay with the hands down if that's too much. Inhale. Exhale, lift. And down. Inhale. Exhale, lift. This goes a little bit into your glutes as well, so squeeze the bottom. And down. 2 more. One more time. Good. Straighten the arms, going into slow swim. Stay with just the leg lift or the arm lift, not both if it's too much. Tummy muscles in. Lift your head. Right arm and left leg is going to lift. Inhale, lift. Point that toe and squeeze your butt. And down. Left arm, right leg. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Keep going. Really pull the tummy muscles in. You should not feel this pulling in your lower back. If you do, rest your head down on your hands and just do the leg lifts. We've got 4 more. For 1, keep the neck nice and long. 2, 3, 4. Good. You're going to push up. Take that shell stretch back. So you're going to come back round the back. Stay on your fingertips. I just want you to round the back here. And then we're going to come up. We're going to go into a cat-cow. So wrists under the shoulders, round the back. Lower the belly, chest through, head up. Round. 1 more each way. Good, and then right arm up, look up, bring it down, thread it under the left arm just for a moment, open. and thread, and open and thread. This is great to open that chest. Other side, left arm up, look up, thread it through. So you close the chest and then you open and close and open. One more time, and close and open. And then let's just take a little plank here, just a little plank. So right leg back, push the right foot into the mat, pull your belly in. Back is flat, so you can stay here, or now take your left leg back, just 10 seconds. Now lift the kneecaps, push through the heels. Don't let your head fall, keep the neck nice and long. Back is flat for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Come to cross legs, just from the side so you can see what we're going to do. Open and close, open and close. Last one, open and close. Good. And then we're going to take a twist. So hands behind the head, open your elbows, keep them open the whole time. We're going to inhale, twist to the left, 3 pulses. 1, 2, 3. You're trying to go a bit further on the third pulse. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Center, up and over, up and over. Your first day is done. I hope you're feeling good. That's day 1. Join me tomorrow for day 2, obviously. Hit the like button, press subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you feel good. That's all my aim is. I hope you feel really good right now. Sending you lots of love.